So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So recently, when we discussed about this particular stock in the 220 rupees level, we have done the complete technical analysis and we have discussed what are the major supports and resistances. So today we'll discuss and rewind the levels because the stock exactly is moving around a certain trend line, and we'll try to discuss what can be the next possible targets. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so before moving towards the technical point, so first we'll try to understand the day-to-day wise deliveries. Okay, so first if we see on 15th November how the stock has given the percentage deliveries, you can see 26.6% was the delivery percentage, and you can see the stock has given around 0.8% positive movement. So in the last 2 to 3 sessions itself, the stock was completely moving in a sideways pattern, so which itself signifies that little bit of accumulation was present in it. So all the Tata companies are again started showing their revival, whether it may be Tata Motors, TCS, Tata Power. So we know the semiconductor problem also has been slightly reduced as compared to other months. We know like the semiconductor problem was there, which was impacting the automobile sector. So now that particular problem is also resolving. So ultimately all the auto ancillaries, whether it may be auto companies, so they will also start picking up the momentum. So keep all the Tata stocks in radar. So one such stock is Tata Power. So in this, deliveries are also pretty good, and we can see last 3 sessions considerably the percentage also increased. Okay, so market is little bit volatile. Okay, today also we have seen little bit of correction in market, so that is one of the reason why stocks are not able to show continuous uptrend. So little bit of profit booking happens, so we need to accept that, and again we need to average. So that sort of mentality we need to develop in current market situation. So now let's go to technical charts. So both weekly chart and daily chart, we'll try to find out all the possible levels. Okay, so first if we try to observe the weekly chart of Tata Power, so you can say this is a particular trend line that I've drawn recently, and this particular week we need to see that whether the stock is able to sustain this particular trend line. So obviously the level that we need to focus would be 240 rupees level. Okay, and coming to the next important support we have in weekly chart is around 225 rupees level. So these are the two supports that you need to watch out. And next, moving towards what is the first resistance. So 250 is going to be very important. So if it closes about 250, so directly you can expect the stock can approach 300 rupees level as well. All right, so first 250 closing, very important, and then first target 275, after that 300. Okay, so these can be the near term levels. So keeping closing in mind, you need to understand all these levels. So next, moving towards money flow index, so that is around 84. So it is slightly in overbought, but we can't say it's completely overbought because nobody is willing to sell because of the potential of the company. So it's a very good stock for long term. So we have discussed multiple times, and I'll keep discussing it because it's a very good stock, and if you want to accumulate, try to accumulate. So every dip is a very good opportunity. So this is in weekly chart. So let's even move towards daily chart. Okay, so next if we go further towards the daily chart, so that is the same trend line. So where earlier the stock was facing little bit of resistance, so now we have seen an opening above the trend line. So it should sustain that trend line. So for sustaining, so first it should obey the 240 rupees level. So 240 rupees level, if it is obeyed, as I told, 250, 275, 300. So these are the near term levels. Support is 230 followed by 225 rupees level. So keep these in radar. So any further questions you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.